ukamumphela mangathi yebo then lady do wow Megan Thee Stallion. You know, I wanted a language, man.
Something that's gonna be
you know, the thing. Yes, that's how you say.
Beautiful. Creativity.
Abujolana mingabele kingayikho mara ubata kukupile util abrewa peka. Style Raul Shumi, nung naman tumang bamis ko lang ito nga bami peri.
Ay.
Shumi, like the thing to naturally. Bang yung sa Marogo, why news that fubonan? Ay ko rin to fuibaw na. Yung masaling nevi China yung peri.
2014. Yeah, it's been a long time.
I still remember that day you told me this.
Continue with that.
I'm a big Nicki Minaj fan. I'm so inspired by Nicki Minaj. Everything I do is Nicki Minaj. The hair, it's Nicki Minaj. The language, it's Nicki Minaj. The way I speak, it's Nicki Minaj. The way
Kalis doesn't mind me.
Kali Kokolo.
Kalis doesn't mind me.
Kali Kokolo.
Kalis doesn't mind me.
Kali Kokolo.
Kalis doesn't mind.
Kali Kokolo.
Kalis doesn't mind.
Kali Kokolo.
Batty boys on hills for job.
Okay.
Hi guys. Hi.
Young Choka.
Wala kong gusto na steps. Ano mo siya?
Young Choka.
Okay guys, okay.
Hey Banyana, ki auswalu na ausneli on the plug.
On the Okay guys, so you know it's your girl, you're the baddie, the baddest bitch in Mzansi. You know what you do, child. I ain't gotta tell you twice. I ain't gotta tell you twice. You know what we do, honey.
Thank you, Betty.
Hi guys, I'm Shadow Adrienne. Hi guys, it's popping you to go Obi O'Brien. Takan sa kawat sa gama.
Jibo's talked about gay guys. So you can post that
guys. Iba kung mga gusto ikaw. Bayang tsara ko si Obi. Ikaga uman sa.
Wait
Phela sikhuluma ngendaba esikazi. Kumele le ngoma siyirelease.
No,
Kumele sibe ingoma guys. Kumele sithole producer guys. Secela. Hayibo I'm a producer. Guys, I'm a producer of piano.
now you mad.
You can't prototype. So, usasenayo ngithi.
Send out to me.
Imagine. Usasenayo ngithi. Prototype. Sidinga yona le prototype ke sicela iproducer lama piano. Lisithi
like. Thina sesina ibeat.
Sizonithetha
ibeat. Ngizala ikhona ibeat. Ngizokuzwisa
ikhona ibeat. Okay. Mama bengona ibeat. Sidinga nje featuring producers bandai or city produce
Abujolana mingabele kingayikho mara ubata kukupile util abrewa peka. Style Raul mga things sa mata stratein
Isabel Tolu Mandela.
Hanging no mga things simpatya sa stratein
Isabel Tolu Mandela.
Tolu Mandela.
Guys, today's no.
You know what?
You know, I was thinking. You know, guys, I was thinking the whole time.
do that.
Nyabon, later what is kulma ngai. Nyabon,
So
get It's like Kiki Tep. No, I'm not too.
Okay.
It's like I said, guys, we have to make music now. Because the boy, there is some talent now, so. Yeah, but look at it. Yeah, Mr. 8, I mean,
Siyabobani,
Yeah,
and
and then again, that time, if
You're
that
in
song,
Facebook
if
by
that
yourself,
song,
man.
we understand.
Eight Benny.
Supposed to go back real. Yeah.
I like you.
Yeah.
Some reason you tabane siyenza against job.
Ah, Chobi, but you're gonna love. You know, interpreting what you
As well as you told me.
interpreting what you have to see.
Ah,
Besides,
ngishesendele WhatsApp
Yeah.
athi shumi injani level ngathi hayi shumi sharp okay sharp.
you know what, Chobi, one thing about being like gay people, we need to learn to stop copying. Because at this point, I feel like it's a thing whereby into it's not about uguti into kabani or in, but do it your own way. You don't have to copy someone else. You don't have to look like someone else. You don't have to do something someone else does. Because lonto leyo ange understand uguti why. Because angeke sithi sibona ukhochela rent sisenza into zabo. Hayibo, yabo nathi siyentabene sinezethu. Nawe be like, have your own shit, girl. You know, we understand creative. You understand?
I said it to him.
Aibo, you get that one video where have you ever seen? There's a video where Opie printed, pinned on his profile, on her profile. Yo, that video, you know that it's a good video. It's a beautiful video. It's creativity. Ucabanga from le wena uyayibona ufuna ukuyenza ngoba seyenziwe leyo nto ibizwa ngani, it's copying. You didn't do any work there, you didn't do any, you just look at it and do it. Like, babe, where's your
So
originality?
that's why we're giving you
Yeah.
content upon content. So guys, we're giving you different types of work. You know, different types of work. So
Exactly.
whoever's gonna watch this from Facebook,
Yeah.
all our followers,
Yeah.
please know that we are here for you. We are bookings for you.
Yeah.
So, we can model for
Book
clothes.
us.
We can
Book
model
us.
for clothes.
Girl.
Interviews. We are on.
Everything.
And then we check our inbox. In case check your money.
Tabani mzanza
Sizi,
athi
Joe.
thina le mpahla esizigqokayo asizithengi siyastopa or if asistophi siyasimodeleni ngoba vele siyabhukhwa sayithola imali for that.
So manje
Asistopi,
yena
bye.
uthi satopa wena ukhona ukuthi angadopi bhazi
Cabanga.
ungadopi estradeni. Alright, mama bese dopa naye akayodopa.
Nje emsomdeni
Babiza amagama abantu.
Uye mzala.
Ungayenzileyo.
Uye.
Ungayenzileyo.
So guys,
Information of character.
So guys, yeah, uzwile yo, information. Khona guys.
Information.
There's this guy. Okay, guys. So there's this guy that we've been talking about. Uma video mina no Raven. The guy we know him. He's one of our, past people, past relationships and stuff. The guy recently texted us and said he's going to sue out the channel because it's defamation of character. Listen, first baby, it ain't definition. Yeah, but English, we are Pina, my man. It ain't defamation of character, boy. Like, you have to search the thing, like search it up, look for it because it's the truth. There's no defamation. We are not bringing your image down. We are saying what you did. So what you did, it's true. It's not a lie. Angazi ukuthi udina ngani. Yini esikudifema ngayo? Ikhona sathuyenzi angayenza. Ikhona Job.
Nevillage mayi.
Ikhona. Manje ke asithangu rape ngabani asithangu bulale bani. Siyasho ukuthi uyadlalana player.
Usadlalana
Manje and uzowa kabuhlungu kanjani? You will fall fast. Ngathi ungahamba uhambe uyocacisa ukuthi lo suthi
Chomi like into ngibongayo Chomi like I noma ngangilothi Chomi like uyasaba nokungibulisa makangibulise hello like push vibe yasekazi yayibona banga ngabileyo so ngibo
ngiyabona ngiyabona like that's disrespect to us guys. It's disrespect to the channel because you cannot say you're gonna sue us for speaking the truth. Do something. Let's see. You know, you can bring it on. You should go. Now bring it on. Take it to court. Take it to court, my nigga. Because we ain't like, no, it's disrespectful, guys. Have we ever said something bad about him? No. We've never said anything bad. We're just saying, what's your lumpana? We are Zalana. as much as
ngathi okay sharp mzala ngathi
asikhulumi igama lakhe.
You understand what I mean? So I don't understand why. Namanje we didn't mention his name.
yeah we
Exactly.
did
So I don't know
Uyasifila
why.
yena ukuthi nje
Uyazazi ukuthi
umenzi uyazazi Waba
It's so unfair. It's unfair, guys.
uNkulunkulu baba sizigabane zakucela imemo sisikhathe sodolo sisigwaba siyalena shwa
Ngicela nenzeni i-smosh cough ku-TikTok. Yabo le challenge amakho bakhetha umuntu like amaphathi omuntu like into zakhe bathi ithi ding yabo le yeah ngathi bakenza i-smosh cough bakathi
ngikhathela ngisigwaba hayi sikhoma siyalenga phela abantu basikametse sisipe suffocate yasiyaleka phela isigwaba bathi hayibo ngani
okay
hayi vele kusiyalenga phela ha siyaleka isigwaba sisikhathele
mawugeza unqunu phela Chobi.
phela kisiyaleka phela
Uyi-one phela lapho ngobani ngesigaba
That's like Jumsen Tana's uNkulunkulu baba sizigabane zakho sicela imemos like angenzi imomozi vele makasithi imemos
Sekujota manje sibuza ama-mimosa.
jangi kuthi imemos
Hey, ngiyamuzwa. Hayi smosh go. Ngicela niyenze.
shodo obhathi usiphosa uyaphapha
Uhayi.
hayi
Athi you-one out.
Okay, guys, yasa sisakhuluma i-hostess wayisathulanga. Host, asizokubeke.
Ayibo. Kwenzakala.
Okay, let's
Okay. Okay, I love my audience. Okay, sharp. Oh, mama.
please.
I put a shake it, I don't break it, oh be shake it.
Some walk manje
indaba yokuthi uya MC and ready for booking.
So guys, whoever's going to watch this video from Facebook, from anywhere and anywhere, my girls here, we are modeling for your clothes, everything. We are brand ambassadors, we are promoters, and we're working on ourselves. Yes, so we like your support and we like you for viewing this video. So we so appreciate you. And please comment, like Santana guys. So guys, we are models. We can do models, guys. You know, we are artists. We can perform. So hit our inbox. We are more. Hit our inbox.
An all-rounder. I mean, I'm a hip-hop. I rap, but then I haven't found a producer that's going to produce beats for me because I write. I do have freestyles. I can't do a freestyle here for you guys. Should I do that? But okay, no. I'm gonna do it. It's on my phone.
Right now,
I wrote it down. I think it was a few weeks ago. But then I haven't been writing a lot though, guys, you know, because it's really difficult to write without knowing when you're gonna record. You understand? We are then there's gonna come a time whereby you're gonna even forget what you wrote because you're gonna forget the flow you were going with because there's no beat behind it. There's not. It's like a freestyle that I write. We understand that.
banalento ukuthi ayigabane lezi asizekele no guys thina sine talent ukudlula
exactly and you know what a good point
ngakhuluma no1 ke athini ninemali qala
mali yani
and uyamazi
namukhona ngikhuluma mina angikhuluma no1 khona ngikhulume nabo and bona
angeke mention mara baba
ebantwini
sineshop
ebantwini inkinga
kusimesho phasi ubani uthola iveli icacile.
So guys, that's the thing. Abafana banyatsa magay ukuthi siyacula and it's not talent. And what I've noticed about the last time I noticed ngesikhathi mina I was recording, these people took me serious after training. You see, the thought ukuthi potential like that's why the last time mina okay ivele mina the kind of music that I wanted to do, I followed Kamumpela a lot.
Yeah.
So Kamumpela ngimazi from Kukila Kau. So I just noticed good upope fast. Let's hope it's me. And I also like Lady Do. So the thing that I also used to listen to people's songs and then freestyle on them because I don't have like my special beats and stuff. So these guys I wanted to record, then they told me no OP when like you know I want talent but I'm creating and my creativity it was so unique because it was things that happened to me, but I had to make it. Plus it is the trend, the pushy trend, you know. So these people guys I'm a gay for granted. And that's fine. Don't take gays for granted. It's not my talent. And why so funa says boom?
Sesibhuma into ibuhlungu lapho umuntu ukufuna maso
so phezulu
manchuma uyekele
usifune after sakabonga ukuthi satrainer wayesekazofuna ukushuta ngathi after sakabonga mzali wangashuta ngathi and then ke abafana
ngiyatshela ngithi ngiyatshela from ivideo yami labantu bangilanda esikolweni yewena ngidle ngojenda phya ngoba performa mina ngapha ngitrending ngibe ngihamba nabangani bami like nje the time the get OB sing on top of your song. Oh, B, do you wanna repeat? It was just a nice experience, and I felt like it's studio, I shame.
But we can do studio sessions, guys. We can do them.
And at the time, and the worst part, creating. Creativity is so important.
It's important.
It's so important. Yeah, bro. I used to copy people's I am a nigga. I used to copy that song, but I had to make it different. That's why I said and I'm the face of it. So that's why I wanted creativity. When ingoma trend but if you like that song, create something more different but more unique to us. Yes.
I there's a
exactly. That's why. And at the time I noticed me, it was from Okamum Penamangati. Yebo. Then Lady Do Megan the Stallion. You know, I wanted a language, man.
Something that's gonna be
you know, the thing. Yes. That's how you say
creativity.
Creativity. The time I said you know, I was even so much.
We think shy. I want to like it's send out. What's good in get me? I feel like I'm messing it. Send out. I say I'm being send out.
And I want nothing kids creativity.
Nothing creativity.
And then cause I'm at a mass calling goma. It's not a freestyle and I'm a freestyle conavela.
That's one thing about it.
I'm a fan of or I was buying it. In church Banjani. Bazofuna okay sharp banga close after then sebabona okay sharp lo niyashaka. Bazofuna high baby again.
Bazokhatha out ngoba bayabona ukuthi uyabahlula. Bakhona benza kanjalo. Abafana bakhona bakhathi part yakho or bangafaka engomeni ngenxa yokuthi you did better than they did, which is very guys it's unnecessary.
Shomeyazi kenzakala
nina mjona yabona iSendota ngayithatha kule part snakes park like snake parks kubeni like beyidlala ngoba like it icule nenzana
snake parks kubeni
Sendot like mina leyo nto leyo ukuthi okay sharp nami ngiyasifila
mina I wanted an intro. I wanted that intro. That's why ubheka that time I just wanted ukuthi at least you know unika at ayo
I don't know what I'm gonna say, you know. I can just be like you know, maybe something though, but you know, I'm a big Nicki Minaj fan. I'm so inspired by Nicki Minaj. Everything I do is Nicki Minaj. My hair, it's Nicki Minaj. The language, it's Nicki Minaj. The way I speak, it's Nicki Minaj. The way I walk, it's Nicki Minaj. Everything. I am Nicki Minaj. I love her so much. I love her to death. She's my mom. She's basically the reason why I'm this person, you know. I'm so out there, I'm so confident, I'm so in love with myself. I don't look what's happening beside me. I'm just focused on the goal. That's one thing Nikki teaches. She teaches you to go to school. She teaches you to get your degree. She teaches you to get your money. Step your cookies up, girl. Step your cookies up. That's what she taught me. So I'm grateful to have a figure like Nicki Minaj in my life, and not only as an artist that I listen to, but as a role model I look up to. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, it's beautiful, guys. And I'm a musician, guys. That's one thing that I also am. I am a musician as well, but then I do not have a person who's going to make beats for me. I write. Exactly. There's this guy, I asked him, I wrote a song. It's so nice. You know, it's called Tap On It. I haven't recorded it. I asked him, can I... It's called Tap On It, yeah. But it's different. It's nice. It has one verse. It has a hook. It has a pre-chorus. It has a chorus, not a pre-chorus. It also has like a bridge, like before you get to the end of bridge. Like it's just a short 2-minute song, but it's so amazing. I wrote that song. I asked him, when can we record? You can come to my place, we can record. I can come to you, we can record. I just want to record the motherfucking song, you know? Yeah. Because I feel like they don't have studios, so they have the equipment. You know what I mean? So that is I'm comfortable with moving around with it. You know, let's record. You know, who knows?
Think of something else. You know, because even gays have bookings. You know, like they are MCs and stuff. So I feel like to get to that point, because when you like uncle that
you are not that good.
I need to she's more qualified. That's why I need to like to those big people like what you bring on the table. What are you coming with here? You know, that's what I noticed. And worst part, that's why I noticed eating ends my video. I'm a clips with voice. Noticing voice you know,
because it was beautiful actually. Even there was a video I saw of Uraven it was so long ago, but she was like that time you didn't know each other.
From Alberti told me means okay, show me those like we just didn't love from the internet. But we love like each other from the internet. But what I can say to you guys, talented corner, and the last time they took a mic from me, I felt like okay, nothing dumb man, but but I said Mikey, thinking I can do those things, but I know it just needs to see we are the audience, sharp, but it's easy for me. Seeing it's easy, just the thing with me. I'm giving chance.
I'm giving chance.
And then, you know, I pushed for that. You remember? Because one thing I feel like is that I tapped Mikey. And at that time, you know, as much as Opi you know, and the girl was okay with it.
But the guy, the event organizer,
what is that in my bumble told me out for you, Mike. That's what we see. And they told me it's not that even hard. You know, exactly. But besides that, it was just like competition in Zimalapa. But we
when I use man good like one man just push
like good like that
something else the thing you show today, what was supposed to happen actually is that like when you were gonna make it different. Because now the body is this jive side scene. Those ones, like you've never heard it before. It's never been done. It's never been like, you know, it's stuff like
and what I know, you know, You know, I will shake it, don't break it. It's creativity from seeing someone dancing.
Yeah,
you
it's
know.
creativity.
Like no creativity. It was you're taking a
I don't break it. And you know when I learn, you know, it was like creativity when it comes to man.
Yeah, it's like routine. Ukhuthaza.
And that's the thing. More be Mike as the MC. You
Ukhuthaza crowd.
Imagine that thing trying to need to especially on my baby job.
And what I noticed maybe na choma ngithu Kamompela got to a point ukuthi she didn't want to promote people's songs, but she wanted to promote her own song. That's what I noticed ukuthi mbinga ngifela lapha matha ngifuna promote ubheka uMandla wenza because you pushing content kabani bani, but you also want to be an artist, so you should also push your own
shit.
Yeah, because you can't keep pushing Ubusiswa while you also want to be
you want to be there. Yeah, true guys. So, it's called working on yourself. It's another thing that teaches you guys like siyabantu singahluka, but we all have dreams.
Yeah,
you understand?
That's all right.
So it's a good thing to see.
I took a kumanga. Yeah, ngithi ngithanda ngikela ngifuna shaya intro yakhe izibathi ukuthi
that's why mina like nomugeleni hamba nomugeleni that's why ibhodlela lakhula estropes ngoba engipha leya vibe ukuthi ibhodlela lakhula estropes ngimnandi njengalo bangabi mnandi mina kuyoba mnandi bani
mina ngisila abantu laba too big, and I feel like whatever they do I get inspired by everyone, so I can be Ice Spice, I can be Nicki Minaj, I can be bonke nogelini futhi ngaba uye kusasa
get up oh ngikiki na
oh Ice Spice you can be whoever, you can be Tyler, you can be outside. I like you.
I can't be so one band. Always like Nicki Minaj.
No, I mean I'm saying
you know Nicki Minaj. But then one thing is I don't want to always do the same. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't want to always have the same shit. You know, there's some things I create. There's something like something in dream. Hey, bo, like those things. You start like I always want to create something new that's gonna be like different. Do you know what I mean? I want to be always.
But it's changing for my breasts.
That's why it's changing. That's the things I'm going to find. Like qualify the time if I get some sort of lip leg. I want to lip leg. I don't think I find it. I probably find it.
I don't understand this. I'm a breast, but I'm a poo. Imagine I'm a poo. My poo. I'm a poo.
Yeah, because like ang na ipo ani si usuge mhlambe ufake something then bene po
umifama boy
baby
hey I'm a baby
baby
yo Iprets, malo iprets no buferi.
Iprets ama baby.
Mina ngipedi.
Daddy.
I will pay you.
So we pay.
After buying this lingerie, you had to me pay. After buying our fluffy, got to me pay.
Yeah.
Cause why?
We paid.
We paid. We paid.
We paid. I accept. And my mom,
and actually, I don't want to like even no much mean time as I need to Kulu. I'm going to change it the way you I'm going to change it in corner. Call me paid.
She's not lying.
Show me. No, I'm not going to buy me paid.
I get.
sebangibambela lokho ukuthi chomi like they think naturally bangisa amaroko why umnyusa ukubonana ayikho lento ofika uyibona umuntu emazane nevagina ngibhedi ngithanda
Baby all the way.
auntie okay sharp wena ndisitsha samvele like special bese kibe kithi ngibheri sharp sekubona ukuthi ngibheri
Ufena go.
ufakile ngibhedi ngisifakile ke ngibhedi singamabhedi
Yes, girl.
ey'tabeni actually singamabhedi
Eitabene changed from Eitabene to berries. The way we go, from the way we started to now.
makasi ke stories
Once I'm starting Eitabene, baby.
It is of the cast.
Manje.
my babies classic
I'm a badass.
ey'tabeni
Manje.
sisithoyile
True.
berries I'm calling for that's
You know, guys, this guy changed Tamara Eitabene. This is something, berries.
ey'tabeni berries
It has to be consistent because when we are the babies, one shouldn't be shorting.
Yeah.
Never, because all these videos see for man.
And maybe say some baby. Maybe say some baby.
Yeah.
Some baby. Go come at this.
What's this? Eyeshadows.
Makoti.
Ma. Khipisabala lapha.
Tom, lona makoti. Okay, manje ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi ngifakile makeup. Athi yebo sifakile.
Ngifakile.
Ngiyifakile kwanomsa. Ngiyabona makoti. Ngifakile. Ha? Ngifakile. Oh nomsa. Nomsa.
Yo, ngishayile
Ngiyase Gomora ngiyamthanda.
Real diva.
Yo.
Ngesikhathi manje.
Shokuthi bahle natural.
Because thina bengicabanga ukuthi bele gold.
Gold nje.
Gold. Licebese.
Maracas, you know, it's a beautiful thing, and I hope you guys can just continue supporting us. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe,
hit a notification.
thank you, baby,
Below,
and share, guys, share the video, I share the video. You were about to say something.
Guys, that's why I'm fucking makeup. Makeup artist. I'm not guys show me saying as represent, saying as nje. Ni makeup artist guys, mafuna makeup awoza again. That's why nje saying
Avulile ababhukisa ba graduation uzamika.
That's why you remember that there was a time where I was like, guys, we need to change our. You remember we had a discussion about we need to change our name for our social media platform where we can post all our videos, our ideas. We can post them in one page, you know, so that even if bafuna ukuthi reacher, bathole one page. Ungathi kusasa wena kuwe kunomuntu ofuna interview, afuna interview kuye or kunikane phela kanjalo, you know,
amuna phone or
amuna phone,
available.
you know what I mean? There must be a specific platform ezoba eyama baby, you know. What we can just do, we can just find a name
to be something new because there are a lot of
no, girl, we're gonna make it
extra cancer.
No, you know one thing about us, we are not just baddies, we are baddies and we have talents.
The baddest is
Being baddies is just a style. As I've been saying before, even when I started dressing this way, like for me now, it's not how that I started dressing because I saw it from someone. It's how I feel. And most of the clothes I bought, it's how I feel. It's not about cause it's cool or cause it's nice. No, it's me. It's me now, you know. So leonto leyo like ngizothini
nabantu bayasinyanya isiqonga khona nathina sinadaba
and you know it's you
doesn't mean ngahamba
inside
ngestranding ngoba nyasi
acho manje kamabu so guys you guys gotta you know
yayazi ngisukukhumbuza uChamile day Bese kayikhipha leyatshwapha ibizo.
Anyway, we had the sexy beach babies to me.
Who's the sexy big bitches?
Anyway, guys, who's from Nigeria? We are from Nigeria. Who's from
that video
yeah.
Guys, Honor their life, honor their life, man, guys. Thank you.
When our sleeves,
I took up there.
our sleeves fake.
Oh, we did.
Guys, honor their life, Leanani. I text the number I put Tolly. I send it because we need life sighting. I'm Salan Makasaiting. Yana, Champaka, like good memories. Good at night. I sent it again.
Say dinner though.
Chomama pictures of Kulumi. If by Pet Bela,
but I don't think we need it.
Sally Albertine. With the sexy belt pages. Show me the
Who's from Nigeria?
Who's from Nigeria? Show that. So comes to right, but it's Matty Daxi. Matty Daxi. No, Zala.
Oh,
what team, Zan?
Hey, but anyway, yeah, we were there. So yeah, no, guys, it's been a beautiful experience. You know, being with you guys is like so different from being with other people. You know, you know, some other people we are harm, but you question yourself. But Masi Sonke, yeah, Pelus that was ungathembi. Yeah, pay look at your bonus makeup and your kudu.
We paid.
I just get shy now. Get some institution and you pay.
Shy.
Most of my money shine. Yes, you pay them shine.
If
they do about it.
Yeah, we paid in Chinese.
Person answering planning to be
I'm a paid our fat, I'm a paid if I make up again.
I'm not sure.
Natural baby.
Yeah, I feel like I'm sometimes in my
something.
I'm not sure make up. I feel like what's it young son. I'm not seeing kids and a foundation and go see foundation from E.
Okay, since it's Adi. This way she's So, matches for me, what does Nicki Minaj do to you?
Okay.
What is it cooking for you? Yes, girl.
I understand too, because like from Dallas since 2014, like in Nicki Minaj. So yeah, 2014.
Yeah, it's been a long time.
I still remember that day you told me this.
Continue that. Like since Nicki Minaj, I was thinking omunye umuntu than Nicki Minaj. Like imamela ingoma zabo mara like
Nicki Minaj.
Nicki Minaj number one.
Nicki Minaj, and from a long time. It was 2014. 2010, bro. Like I used to watch her on E Trace Urban. Remember the time DSTV said Kalu Ngena? Yeah, there was that dish be super so excited. It's so Mopala Manamba Glenda, it like Marite. Trace Urban. The first song I think I saw Nicki Minaj was Your Love. Or Your Love was
Puppies.
Yo, there are 2011. It told me.
To be honest, the time I'm Tana, the time she got a bed with your name on it.
Oh,
so you know, I'm gonna go to Magic.
Yeah.
She got the bed. And I was even thinking what it
yeah. It was during the hate train that.
Yo, the timing, being at her on Kim just doing something. I've been like doing it in the shop. Maringo, my kind of bed is. I like having it being time to our gas. Then as the rich, into it's being a follow Angalama Uncle Market apart.
Yeah.
But the bed. You Helena with channel only. Let's go to the link. Pink Friday.
Yo, I was like, me put among nigga phone and at the time because an official in the
Yes, I ain't through yo.
Yeah, that one. Yeah. Like Nicki Minaj has been like my ride or die chair,
Me
as
too.
well as Beyonce. But as time goes, you know, something will things change. Things change, you know. But yeah, guys, it's a lovely thing to see. The people that inspire us, they still inspire us till this day. You know?
I was like, like they were flow, everything.
Everything, her
I was
music
like,
is so different.
follow again. Yo, man, follow. I was like,
Instagram namanje.
Namanje chumi.
Usibona athanda disrupt. Anyway, Tommy. Wena akwazi ba unginike mina nje okanye umugele
guys mina like my role model it's Mukelings. I started Mukelings qala kumthanda kusasena lengoma ithi Kautempel angisakhumbula ukuthi
yeah that was like 2021
cause like Mukelings I don't wanna like being ngamthandi after like he live like Kautempela okay jaba ngwanyana ke vibe yakhe vele like ngwanyana ke vibe.
I've been following her from since day one, since the time she used to dance to Sarafina. Uyakhumula sacha Sarafina.
Oh yeah.
Namanga chama Mukelings story umthanda le uthi chima ngimsabi
Yeah, nami lapho uniform.
So just like Mukelings, yeah.
Mina sasena ngimsabi how ubanele ndaba that's why bathi when you follow your model yakho khamela umazi gama lakhe langempela
Onyeka Tanya Mirage, honey.
Nice.
Teddy.
Nice ngone namazi shemi mina ubanele ndaba njengo O'Brien indaba
Undaba sibuka moto.
Bastaishobi
Chuma, I didn't know your surname. Yeah, it's a girl.
like
Mina
it's a cousin.
I didn't have role models. I just liked everyone.
Yeah, I had a role model.
To be honest, I didn't have a role model.
Yeah.
Bengithanda makuvela Rihanna bengicreama, makuvela bani no matter
I did something crazy. Gumetriki, I think there was the time we were planning an exam. They said we need to speak about a role model. Guma topic. I don't know if it was Afrikaans or English. I wrote about Nicki Minaj, honey. Kabanga mfalume tricky, mpala Nicki Minaj. ESAET is yo. You know, because she inspires me a lot. Hey, imagine in Passometric and I wrote about my role model. I feel good about myself, you know, and it's that thing I would see, girl, you did it, you know, that bachelor's degree, you know, even if you wrote about, you know, like
she's the reason also like
you know, she's the reason why I was like, you know what, I'm gonna be honest with myself and I'm gonna speak about what I honestly love, because I love Nicki Minaj. Even my mom till this day, when she sees that picture in my room with Nicki Minaj, she's like, oh, pink, you know, it's that thing. Like, she knows, you know, I've been loving her from day one. Even my mom, she knows. Like, even my phones, like the music I listen to, it's Nicki Minaj. You know, she's everything, guys.
Like, I'm everyone. Yeah. If I'm connecting, I to Nicki Minaj.
Was good in Jim Fagis and those Mukelings in your scope. Like I like to speak how Mukelings speak. I like National like okay, sharp, sing it in Sakula, era model, or go Beyonce no bando. Yeah, they tell them, Bessa go Beyonce and Tana Langoma 18 Shakira. I'm singing this charity. If I were boy, and then the soil, and going on school, the soil, it was my favorite.
Well, I shall money on my come worldwide.
Oh, yeah, she's a recent one, and she's beautiful. Why? She's beautiful.
Oh, God! You know, like, guys,
who come up losing in Tana the Wanga corner. Like, Namatins moves to work. Be like, Ben Funa little like this. Like, Marat said, like,
your lane.
Hi again, it's South Africa. Oh my God. Hi guys, South Africa. Yes. Guess what? Bye.
Bye.